In a momentous achievement for India's space program, the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, successfully launched the PSLV C-60 rocket on December 30, 2024, from the Sriharikota launch pad in Andhra Pradesh. This mission, known as SPADEx, Space Docking Experiment, aims to demonstrate in-space docking capabilities and essential milestones for India's future space missions. SPADEx is a groundbreaking technology demonstrator designed to test the complex process of docking two small spacecraft in low Earth orbit. This is a significant advancement in space exploration, as mastering docking technology is a critical component for long-term space missions, including India's planned manned Gaganyaan mission, the Chandrayaan-4 lunar mission, and the proposed Indian space station. The mission's primary objective is to enable the rendezvous, docking, and undocking of two spacecraft, SDX-01, the chaser, and SDX-02, the target, using the indigenous Bharatiya docking system.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Plus 5 seconds. Lift off normal.
That's a marvelous liftoff of PSLV C-60 SPADEx mission on the go.
Plus 15
Sleek
seconds.
PSLV core-alone vehicles saluted against the night sky, a beautiful sight to behold.
जी हाँ, अभी आपने देखा सफलतापूर्ण उत्थापन PSLV C-60 रॉकेट का, रात को रोशन करता हुआ PSLV C-60 अपने उद्दिष्ट कक्षा की ओर
ट्रैकिंग
सभी तंत्र सामान्य निष्पादन करते हुए रेंज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर ने इसकी पुष्टि की है।